Well, we did not expect for the decision to come out today, so it was really a welcome development. But we have always maintained naman our position. No? We have always been consistent, even back in February, that the fourth impeachment complaint was in fact, or is in fact, infirm in a lot of ways, no? Because it violated the one-year bar rule under our Constitution.
Yung po bang defense team, kayo po, nakausap niyo po ba si VP Sara?
Well, she just confirmed receipt of our message. We told her that there was an SC decision that was announced today. Other than that, hindi pa po kasi kami nakapag-usap ng matagalan, so wala pa po akong masyadong reaksyon na mai-share sa inyo.
Attorney Poa, sabi po ng iba ay pwede daw nila ito pagbotohan. In other words, if they get the numbers, from my understanding, pwede pong sakaling hindi sundin itong desisyon ng Korte Suprema. What do you say to that?
Well, sa atin po, no, napakahirap pong mag-comment sa ganyang bagay because these are matters that are internal to the Senate. So siguro sa ngayon po, hindi muna ako magbibigay ng komento dyan. But what is clear is that the Supreme Court, which is the final arbiter, no, sa ating bansa pagdating sa mga disputes, ay nagdesisyon na at nagsabi na unconstitutional nga po yung fourth impeachment complaint. Now, as to the Senate process, kung pwede po silang magbotohan, I guess it's best to defer and maybe direct the question to the Senate po on this matter. Ang masasabi ko lang po is talagang na-reaffirm yung posisyon natin na itong fourth impeachment complaint ay violative doon sa one-year bar rule, no, sa ating constitution. Sa atin ngayon, we are just going to wait kung anong magiging hakbang ng Senado as the impeachment court doon sa mga prosesong naganap na. Tayo naman po, we have always complied, no, with the Senate process. Nung sila nag-issue ng summons, tayo po ay sumagot. So sa ngayon, we will just, I guess it's really wait and see. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging hakbang. But definitely, we welcome the decision of the Supreme Court on this matter.